Don't start yet. I have to start again. It's too soft.
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
No?
If you do press hard like that, it will go.
I'm learning. I'm learning from an expert.
I'm not an expert. Meena is an expert.
That's true. She really makes them fast, doesn't she?
Just you do like this.
Mm-hmm. Just a little bit, and then you
Little
roll.
bit. And then
Okay.
first very little like this.
Okay.
Then again very little slowly you try to turn like this.
Mm-hmm. This is very complicated.
No, not to use not to press hard.
No, very gentle.
Yeah.
Gentle chapati.
Yeah, then you can just
Turn it over. Yeah.
now you don't need, at the end you need not put on this because it will be burned.
Mm-hmm. Sticking.
That if you do it to one side. Yeah.
No, it's not a perfect chapati.
It is okay.
You think? Still have to be gentle with the chapati. Alright, that's enough filming. Okay, I think we're ready to go. You think?
Yes. We can just put little oil like this.
Now comes the cooking.
Yeah, we can put.
Ah.
Yes.
And here's our...
Now you have to do the
I have to
next
keep
one.
doing the next one. Okay.
Gentle.
And then, no.
And then more flour.
Yeah.
Okay.
Flour on all sides.
Oh, this one's coming better.
Okay.
It's an awfully modern camera you're using there, Thomas. Not your style, is it?
No.
No, not at all, no. It's fun.
This is really hard work, you know? You can't do this quickly. This is not fast food. This is slow food.
This is gentle food.
Gentle and slow. How's that first one coming? Too thick?
Fine. That will take some time. Master.